Today, you were very efficient. So I'm going to give you a choice for that way of week. You can do whatever you like, right? You can either throw it at me, because they love the chaos, or you can hand it to me like any reasonable person on the planet would. Well, that's a big throw. Actually, that was good. Try it again, but maybe come a little bit closer. I think you can do this. That was really close. 1, 2, 3. Eyes up here, buddy. One guy smiling. You guys happy about this? Please do it one more time. 1. Eyes up here, buddy. And 1, 2. Maxie, I can't do this without trying to tell. Just a quick little elbow bump. Yeah, there we go. Dude, if you want to, you are now in control of all of these people. If you smile at them and you take a little bow, they're going to go crazy for you. You made this happen. You made this process. Thank you. I genuinely appreciate everything you just went through. Next part of the show is me juggling those knives. So you can either lie here, which would be wicked cool, or you can return to your family. Hey, everyone goes back, so why not? Alright, one more round. It looks like this. It is going to work. It always works if I have the support of a loving and motivational audience. Oh my God. Andy, can you do me a favor? I need these people on board. Can you use those knives to unite the people? Thanks, buddy. Yeah, get them going, Andy, get them going. Hey, watch this. Yeah, that's it. That's the ticket. Keep it going, Andy. Get everyone. If you see someone not clapping, point at them aggressively with a knife. It's as dodgy as it looks, but we made it to the top. There's nothing left to do, let's throw some knives. Are you ready, Andy? Perfect. Easy throws straight to the hand. I can't turn around. Are there people there? Nice. Perfect. Yeah, I'm always concerned the guy's going to throw it too hard and hit some people, but last time that happened, they put a barrier up. Alright, let's aim for the hand on the count of 3. Look, the more people involved in the show, the more fun it is, so we're going to do it all together as a team. We're going to count to 3 and then clap for Andy. Are you guys with me? Say yeah. Yeah! Perfect. Hey, just before the finale, we're in the last minute of the show, so I'm going to say a proper thank you. You guys have been an amazing audience. Thanks for coming out. Thanks for being a part of the life, and thanks for being my audience. I've missed you. Welcome back. Hey, just tell us a round of applause. Hey, I do have to at least mention this, because I am a street performer, and I've got to say it so that everybody just understands what happens at the end. At the end of the show, after my final bow, I do take off the hat. Because I've done the show for a very long time, all over the world, and I'm proud to say it's always 100% crowd-funded. So at the end, if you guys put something in this hat, that's amazing. It keeps the show alive, it keeps me alive, and it definitely keeps the streets of London alive. If you can. But look, I'm not going to push it too hard. I'm not going to go on and on. I'll say a small note, like 5 or 10 pounds, changes the course of my day. If you look at what we're doing right now, I think you'll agree it's worth it. It's about the price of a meal or a sandwich. If you guys can, 5 or 10 pounds is brilliant, but if you don't have any money at all, don't panic. I have my card reader now. Look, that is legit. It's backed by my small business. It's not set to anything you say, and I punch it in, you touch the card. It is a done deal, but I have to say, the most important thing about the entire show is everybody's still smiling and happy to be here, playing along. Well, this man I just met is throwing those knives at me. So money has a funny way of sucking all the life out of the show, hey? I'm sure you guys feel it. Let's not finish with any kind of negative energy. How about a little round of applause? Let's break some ice. Yeah, that's good. How about a little cheer? Everybody go, yay! Good. Everybody on this side, yay! Everybody on this side, yay! Easy. Magic. Alright, that was good. Instead of holding it like that, it's real unpredictable. If you hold it like that, you just have way more control. Perfect. Alright, time number 2. Louder. Ain't real. All together, counting for 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. When you throw that last one, I'm going to try to get straight to a juggle from your throw. So you box the knife, I start the juggle, you run for your life, and everybody claps for you. Just remember the audience like yourselves, be really supportive of him. If he does a good job, everybody clap and cheer. If he messes it up, everybody spit. Pressure. No one's going to spit on you, man, you don't worry. Alright, knife number 3, everyone together, as loud as you can, counting to 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good luck. Thanks, man. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Starting to finish the show with you, man. Oh boy, look, I'm not going to juggle for long, but I might be able to show you guys a trick or two. Let's go. Oh boy. Let's go for some double spins with the knife. Sometimes, if we're lucky, I can do 2 at once. And a quick little bonus trick that I'm getting off this death trap as quick as I can. Here's the bonus trick. 3 knives under the leg. Snapchat that, right? No, I'm not going to finish my show with a rubber stroke. I'll go for a real throw under the leg. It is a genuinely difficult trick. If it works, big cheer. It's not as easy as it looks. I'm just really good at it. Humble too. Alright, let's do it. Wheel throw under the leg. I'll shoot for 3. This has been a really good show. I'm going to go for 3 throws under the leg. It is a dangerous trick, not for me, but for you guys. You're aware of that. Alright, here we go. Wheel throws under the leg. Here's knife number 1. Knife number 2. Let's get the hat trick. That's 3. Oh my god. Guys, thank you very much. Show's almost over. Almost. Not quite. I still have to get off this death trap. There's no graceful way out. I'm going to let it all come crashing down. Hey, when it hits the ground, if everybody claps and cheers and goes crazy, I'm going to go home happy no matter what. Like, honestly, if you can support the show, that's amazing. But if you don't have any money or you simply don't want to pay, come forward and say a thank you for the show. That keeps it human between us. It means the world to me. And if you say thank you, I'll say a genuine thank you back. You've been a treat. But let's wrap this up now, hey? Let's make as much noise as we can when everything comes crashing to the ground. You guys are amazing. You just tell them, thank you. Hey, enjoy the rest of your night. Enjoy your Christmas. Enjoy your holidays. Enjoy the mild winter. Unfortunately, that is the end. I mean it when I say it. There's no reason to sneak off. If you come forward and you say a thank you, that squares us. That makes us even. But if you want to, if you can support the show, we'll have the card reader. Otherwise, I'm all ears. Come on in. Say hey. Thanks, man. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Really do. Thank you. Quickly jump back in the job saying, Max, you were amazing. Thanks, buddy. You too, bro. Thank you very much. Cheers. Oh, you want to do this? Yeah, cool. Thanks, everybody. Totally up to you. Thank you. Where are you from? Nice, man. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much. Melbourne, kind of. Thank you so much.